Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel. I am Angela, and we are going through the ABCs of jewelry making. This is a series. Now, we're not doing A to Z, but I am pulling out a few of the letters that I think are would really be extra beneficial to you. Okay, so today we are talking about learning because when you begin anything, you don't want to get stuck in one spot because what happens is when you get stuck right there, everyone else passes you up and they know more than you. And then you're not expanding or growing, right? And that is the whole purpose of doing anything is that you can expand and grow in that area, right? So, one of the things that as an artist you can do is continue to learn. And one of the ways that you do that is by researching your subjects, um, which is why I try to help you out by providing you with different ideas, such as the jewelry tutorials that are on this channel, teaching you about the crystals and other things, the chakras, whatnot, because those two actually go together, you guys. And if you've noticed, you'll notice that on this channel, we're not just doing jewelry. We are talking about energy because your energy goes into your projects or whatever you're making, right? And people can feel that. They can feel the love. You know, when I've actually had people say, and I've heard people say to others, man, I could tell when you made this cake, you put all your love into this. That's that energy, you guys. And that has happened to me at craft fairs with my jewelry as well. Um, People say that. So it's a real thing, you guys. So we talk about the energy, we talk about the crystals, we talk about different techniques and materials on this channel, but we also talk about mindset, right? And that's why we have the affirmations that I tell you about because everything that helped me become the artist that I am, the instructor that I am today, I am sharing those steps with you. I am not holding anything back. So if there is something that you would like me to speak about or teach about, put it in the comment section and I will do it to the best of my ability. Okay, and that is also why we have the gratitude series on Thursdays because having gratitude attracts more great things to you. So this is all about learning. We are not learning just jewelry, but we are learning our whole selves as an expressive artist. Okay, I'm very passionate about that. So um so learning new techniques, exploring new materials, finding out and experimenting with how to use them, not lose them, y'all, how to use them. That's what helps drive you as an artist because it brings your excitement. And the more that you learn, the more you grow. And growth, my dear, is a good thing. So, if you are not subscribed to the EBA channel, please do so because we would love to have extra family members here. Um, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, comment, let me know your thoughts. What do you want to learn? Was this helpful to you? And what are you working on right now? Or what would you like to learn more about? Let's do that one. Okay, so um, as far as materials and how to use them, I would love for you to download our free ultimate tool list because there are actually videos that accompany that so you can familiarize yourself with that and have it as a download to keep it in your personal files because maybe you're creating at midnight and you're like, wait a minute, what did she say? What happened? And then you have that tool list there, okay? So I will see you in the next video. Happy learning and happy creating, you guys.